Mema Ubiakwaba Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Captain Smart on your TV morning show host or the summer to the fire NPP for home. Just say, dear one pass one big running mate or the moon summer to the and then send the brave Eddie. Now answer on the day and 7 Mr. Say, so we are subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. Would you be on say over click the subscribe button now what belly notification we understand video for phobia may upload also with Ken. After we are now like video no more thumbs up, give us a thumbs up now fee watch share my offer frost now we now watch afi yanko and 7 minutes a year Captain Smart thing summer to ga will be NPP for no fair watch say mo credit ya dia mamwa Mutimi a running mate, Moka send me a video with a Paco to say a year and send the bill, or say ruling government pa and a running mate by the Amonsi. Now, boy, a year NDC, a year Jimmy, no poke my eye, then on a year don't Gaman Muhammad running mate, one of us what I said, need some more to go to Ghana. To say, well, boo NPP for cry to say, NPP for who you're running it. Now, watch it and ma, one bit in a year running mate, I'm about ya, what they want to home some air to Gamma, who I would say. Shelley Ayokubuti, the Dean of the Moon Onona, I said, a money in an honor is as a way he kind of say, with me, I running now about Nemana family and say a year and send the now, yes, some Reno and Kentama, a year Captain Smart and some of the two jar a fire MPP form, say I had been Palmer one, say one baby a year one running meet. Into a year Captain Smart said, I wonder, sensible in some.
Oh, sir, I had difficult for the party to be you running mate. I'm going to share first week May. Never second week May. Akwa third week May. Fourth week, I say maso. I say by June. By June means even this month Kurano. Umbetimi yi. Say a ma umudia basropa foreign affairs minister. Foreign affairs minister. Edi abasuru say boom. She's a wonderful woman and I love her. She's a great chap. Say no, the NPP is struggling to find a composite plant to re-engineer a fina or moyeno. It is a say, still a house is that a pass home. That is why I buy it to me a creating tokwa between two state institutions that says almost fighting corruption. Come to think of this. Attorney General. Or would to me on the fighting corruption. Office of the Special Prosecutor. Or also Abayama to me assessor on the fighting corruption. A day na Attorney General Mraka Kraya Pono Kakra, Ediama Special Prosecutor. No Mumienu, air con, Ewa Dehu, Sisi Adapa, because Sisi assessor to me running mate. Mami Jane, Professor Nidin is Bahama running mate. Jane, no Pokwajma, make Cambabia. What disintegrate MPP? Mammy no. No. Hey, Madame also I don't know who's when you. Yes, I'm mammy no. Men I may catch what disintegrate MPP. Unim. Say MPP for Ubekaya almost as I say. Bahama and Sassan running meeting. No. And it is obvious of the NDC. Say, Yadoko election one when you're Sassan. Into Professor Mills, I think that John Mahama na yeni third running meet or didn't win the election. So, John Mahama de Jane Opoku, and a court 2016, and Owusu. Mahama was Sasano. Mahama, Akufo. Mahama, Akufo. NPP tradition is a Wokoda Owusu against Sasano. It's in Anado. On the Bawumia, 2008, they lost. 2012, they lost. 2016, Osanta ne Bible winning. Then Mahama, na MPP for Nyaya, Nanka Mahama Sasa. Mamino. Then they will go and pick a woman to despise Mahama. And a ma, Omo Adrimu number 2 Abama NDC. Any central region say, Obaba Akupo 15 man to her. Omo Fane Mamwa. Kanosa, when one Kabaya campaign no. Kennedy Agyapong. Say yes, and the Buafua. Kennedy Agyapong. Near number 1. Number 2, Owusu. Number 3, Central Region. Omo chama mi refi di dinkura. Wonum come back kan ya. Then all of a sudden, Bahama said, no, Mensah Sano, no kofa nebai. My men command his speech, that day, NPP ni bi organ Hatana TV, Hunti, Jina no Pukwajibai. Omo Chema, my men, they are war, who say war. Eti, a whole member of parliament, HBB and no can say, ye kope oba, e oba benya. Jane, why ye bibi, meka, your friend say, Winniba, MP. I think your market. Starting with parliament. Oh, yeah, and sa lawyer bina or to won to me station. No, when me can be I say, some of your man penning down Casalo and to make good law schools in Aten for from. And can make good law schools in because of Aquania Fancy. Morris Apple. May your man penny and Conun to make good law schools in Namasaten for from. What eh? Now, what Timia Casema, meaning your menopause, na on mammy and your menopause. Akwa wait me to TV, so what the woman me or war? At the woman me adia sabi a woman my was assist you know, esre on one mammy, such a person, and almost say, Sanka a idea about me about winning election, which is not possible because it is possible Bawumia will lose the elections. Anka sa kwaye, oh, to be on one mammy, it did the mammy who fell over TV in radio so, as I did or ba penia, why a professor who fell. Yes, Sanka sa de bi no Sanka o ma be anwene na Sanka o be nwene a ka be any deputy minister ma me no wie ni speech na obi atena TV hu no mu say kei asemaba Jane Opoku Agyemang madam you've made mark na wadi ato no check na wadi ato no I'm telling you madam maybe you don't know the magnitude of ade na wo kan ye no madam you don't know me I'm a politician. Standing here, me, I'm a politician. And I'm telling you, sir, my mini speech, I ain't no kind UPSA. My mini speech, at the vestity, at disintegráted NPP. Since NPP communication, Jena no Opoku Agyemang kwa say communication ni na. And no nama, hey, ye kwa say, na po ye dwedodo. Ebi before na ekra, I'm telling you what's happening. It is a oni mami kojina ho na whole professor. Mami do to fam. Na kwesi bi bana na poko koba. Obetufo. Eti yanwene na pohu mienu. Sisi adapa se ye de ono so ko. Enema considerations e kwaso no ho. Considerations e kwaso no. Se oni mami kasa na wo de from nowhere out of nothing. Mami ko yi sisi adapa $1 million asem no betuma. Ebe say I debate o mayama vice presidential candidate ni na ebe say bibia okoyi betompe e de asem kese beba na se Jena no Opoku Agyemang se ko fasisi da pa na omuko break I vice presidential candidate debate no samba no rezi oko break no samba na orezi ebe ma sisili da pa ne confidence ebe wo side debate na se no ebe drop nti ono so yanwe ne ho biom. I'm telling you what is happening. Okay, abai bia ba ontua district assembly common fund nwie. Ba ye dey dangerous dodo. Cause for a whole 1 year 2 years na abai wentua statutory payments no nyey. District assembly common fund. It is a yekofa the administrator of common funds. Your friend simple. Na atoshi eba na Jane koyitum se kukuro na no so take center stage of the debater. You better you bet me a year no. The last meeting omo koya no omo discussing na atoshi no omo say some amini yitum sense say pa no every year be amayen time amutua common fund no dodo amatua na no so debate so yamfa document nko na say ni trim na okoka bibi na tofa ho a eno so abaye issue then chief of staff Fremo Pare honestly you see I don't want to say things considerations no ma me no disintegrate party no. The last resort, Oba, for the NPP, Foreign Affairs Minister. Foreign Affairs Minister. And for a very long time, Obi any krom ho benji tumenya ma me no ho asamaka.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best.
That woman,
Captain Smart is the king.
Mr. T said me share no Jeku for time. Mr. T share no say Lord come back kaya we were discussing time Nana Kweku Annan Rollins at a party or they be bold to buy Mr. Lord coming. We're having a discussion. I don't anymore. ye bon koma na ye kama ye say no say NPP for ba obetime lead party no sanka Ghana beto aba ma oba ni manim ya kai sama me no otime co straight speed no watwe break no wa say biem na kwan mo yakese no wa fa nifa no wa besi wechi no na ekro no ma me no ye guy ma on friends nkra ai foreigner sharia ayoko botwe oye smart ma sa woman no oye very smart but ono so wo bibia o ma discuss ba no de benka enye anything corruption enye bibi boni enye hwe o say odwe too much ena o kasa na wo be mu pe obejai sana enye ma bi ho but oye best bet if the NPP is going to go for a woman choto ono na do. That is why a whole certain party ruling party were confused who should be a running mate NPP say you will May na see June July August, September, October, November, December. They enka ho 6 days to 1 day kura so yenya politics. It is December, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Asa we rallies the pa we 6 months per near co-election.
He is smart.
Ruling government, ruling party, only running mate. Because of Jena no Poku Agyapong. Papa, mamena disintegráted party no. Ajeta. What so Marigold? No. Central region, fantastic woman. Also no teacher ni anamwa. Marigold no teacher. Binim pa, but odim se binim nisa. She's a good woman. But Central region, abayne kaso kosi airport. Central region for Kwakae na. Regional coordinating council ni abayne na so yenka sa. Ena enokura no so bebo mi say bam. It is our kwafano kwagina Jena no Poku Agyapong no to fit Central region. No be so Central region airport na. Mukai na wanya.
So, he is
and Jane, or your lecturer,
he is the best.
The first female vice chancellor of the Republic of Ghana. Or also your literature. And or your senior communication expert. So we can't tell. And they know that the worth and the value of Jena no Poku Agyapong. And idea there a Boama president to be a dream we do. To me, the papa, any president Obuni vice president or respecting the vice president. Mahama or respecting Mahama pa. Akufo na or respecting Alihu Mahama pa. So we demand me catch you. And a Professor Mensah not respecting Mahama pa. Na do. Nile Bushafo wombu Bawumia.
The king of morning show.
That one is a fact. We are all aware. And Samira Bawumia after cabinet meeting Owusu to Sakwala no. All that mecho no. So they have seen the worth, the value of Jena no Poku Agyapong. So they need to look for a batch. Say Bema the best bet, education minister. Also crowd must say. And also matter. Got discussion names are Abino Asay.
Yo, it is for waiting. And some Captain Smart on your TV morning show host for the Afriyie NPP. Dear Diamo, one be one running mate, and I and some debris. Now, can you say GCB so and our no? So we are subscriber, yeah, Mr. Say, over subscriber. No, I like it. Now, watch a video. I'm off for so ignoble now. What? Also, betting actually what in Afriyie and some way now who ever comment box in Mobetti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.